Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So in previous episodes, I talked about how important it is to make $100 per month, specifically by passive means, and I'll get into that a little bit later. But today, I want to really talk about how making $100 a month is really life-changing and in a very practical, real-world way. And so whenever you make $100 a month, at least here in the United States, I don't think a lot of people would think that is a lot of money or it would make any difference. But if you actually think about where you could apply the $100, it could help you out a lot. And so the very first place that I think about is like bills. You know, like maybe your utility bills, gas, electric. That could definitely go towards that. Or your cell phone bill. Or maybe you had credit card bills. That $100 passively can definitely make a big difference, especially if you take it out over years or even a year. That could really add up and help you save that money and use it for other things, which is the second part of that $100. You could put this towards something that you've been saving up for, whether it's something for your kids, whether it's something for you personally, or maybe you wanted to put it in investments like stocks, which gets me into the whole idea of this whole passive income thing. And when I mean by passive, it doesn't mean that you'd never work again. Okay, I think that's a huge misconception. What it means is that you put effort in once, and you don't have to continually put in effort into that one thing that you created over and over. So you don't have to spend more additional time on that. A perfect example of this is YouTube. So this is passive income. Like I would create this video once, and then over time I would generate income from it every single month. And this is where I get into the whole difference between the internet passive income, which is what I really think that a lot of people can accomplish, versus the traditional ways to earn passive income. And the traditional ways is usually stocks and real estate. But the thing is, with stocks and real estate, it's normally going to require a much higher upfront cost and definitely more time for you to manage, especially when it comes to stocks. And so for stocks, let's just say you have $10,000 to invest. Your average return, best case scenario, let's say you got back 10% per year. You know, that'd be like $1,000 a year. Okay, and so that's not exactly $100 a month, but that's pretty much in the ballpark. Let's just say $12,000. But even then, you would still have to pay capital gains tax as well. And then when it comes to real estate, the investment is way higher, and then you're going to have to learn how to get tenants, you know, collect on it, and there's so many other factors involved. But when it comes to the internet, I think it's way simpler, and the cost is much lower. YouTube is a perfect example. You can do this for free. You could actually make money on Amazon by selling a variety of Amazon products. You could create a website or blog. You could have a presence on social media that way. You could do affiliate marketing. There's so many different ways in which you can earn an income through the internet. And most of it doesn't require any upfront cost. But the main difference here is that the cost is going to require your time. But when it comes to stocks and real estate, that also require time. So that's why I really feel like if you actually focus and put in the time to earn $100 a month passively through the internet, it could really make a huge difference in your life. And on top of that, you're going to learn a lot of very important skills, entrepreneurial skills, you know, the skill of selling, the skill of marketing, and those things can be applied to a lot of different areas. And obviously, as your internet presence, your internet brand, your business grows, you make more money and you have control over that, versus your stock market or real estate investing where you do have some control, but not as much control as the things that you create yourself. And so that is my thought on how making $100 a month passively can really change your life, and how in the real world these are actual practical applications that you can use it for. And so if you had any thoughts on this, whether you are making $100 or more per month passively, or you're thinking about getting into this, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.